Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, and it's changing the world as we know it. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is poised to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. By 2030, this transformation will be even more profound, ushering in an era of unprecedented possibilities and challenges. Industries are already being reshaped by AI's ability to analyze massive data sets, identify patterns, and make predictions with remarkable accuracy. This revolution is not limited to the tech sector. It's impacting healthcare, finance, transportation, and countless other domains. Our daily lives are also being touched by AI in ways both big and small. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, it's essential to understand the potential benefits and risks of AI. We must also consider how to harness its power responsibly to create a future that benefits all of humanity. The decisions we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. Imagine waking up in a home that anticipates your needs. The temperature adjusts automatically, your favorite news playlist starts playing, and your smart coffee maker brews the perfect cup. This is just a glimpse into the AI-powered future of daily life. By 2030, AI will be seamlessly integrated into our homes, cars, and personal devices. Smart homes will learn our preferences, optimize energy consumption, and even order groceries before we run out. Autonomous vehicles will navigate our commutes, freeing up time for work or leisure. AI-powered personal assistants will manage our schedules, answer questions, and provide personalized recommendations. Statistics paint a clear picture of this trend. Experts predict that the global smart home market will reach over $400 billion by 2027. This widespread adoption of AI-powered devices will fundamentally change the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. However, this convenience comes with challenges. Data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential for job displacement are all issues that need to be addressed as AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives. Healthcare is on the verge of a revolution thanks to AI. By 2030, AI-powered systems will play a central role in diagnosing diseases, developing personalized treatment plans, and even performing surgeries. This transformation has the potential to save countless lives and improve the overall quality of care. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of medical data, including patient records, medical images, and research papers, allows it to identify patterns and make predictions that would be impossible for humans to discern. This means faster and more accurate diagnoses, leading to earlier interventions and improved outcomes. The potential cost savings are also significant. The McKinsey Global Institute estimates that AI could generate $100 billion in annual savings for the US healthcare industry alone. These savings could be reinvested in research, infrastructure, and expanding access to care for underserved populations. Personalized medicine is another exciting frontier in AI-powered healthcare. By analyzing an individual's genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environmental factors, AI algorithms can predict their risk for certain diseases and tailor treatments to their specific needs. This personalized approach promises to be more effective and have fewer side effects than traditional treatments. Section 4: AI and the evolving job market. The impact of AI on the workforce is one of the most debated topics surrounding this transformative technology. While some fear mass unemployment, others see an opportunity for humans and AI to collaborate in new and innovative ways. The reality is likely to be a combination of both. It's true that AI will automate certain tasks, particularly those that are repetitive or require high levels of data processing. This could lead to job displacement in some sectors, such as manufacturing, transportation, and customer service. However, AI will also create new jobs in fields like AI development, data science, and AI ethics. The key to navigating this transition is to focus on education and reskilling. By equipping workers with the skills they need to thrive in an AI-powered economy, we can ensure that everyone benefits from this technological revolution. This includes promoting STEM education, providing opportunities for lifelong learning, and fostering a culture of adaptability in the workplace. Governments, educational institutions, and businesses all have a role to play in facilitating this transition. By working together, we can create a future where AI complements human capabilities, leading to greater productivity, innovation, and economic growth. Section 5. The ethical imperative. As AI systems become more powerful and pervasive, it's crucial to address the ethical implications of their development and deployment. From data privacy to algorithmic bias, there are numerous concerns that need to be addressed to ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically. One of the most pressing issues is data privacy. AI algorithms are trained on massive data sets, and if this data is not handled responsibly, it could lead to breaches of privacy and potential discrimination. We need to develop robust data governance frameworks that protect individual privacy while still enabling innovation. Algorithmic bias is another significant concern. If AI algorithms are trained on biased data, they can perpetuate and even amplify existing societal biases. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes, particularly in areas like hiring, lending, and criminal justice. We need to develop mechanisms to ensure that AI systems are fair, transparent, and accountable. Addressing these ethical challenges requires a multi-stakeholder approach. Researchers, policymakers, industry leaders, and the public all have a role to play in shaping the ethical development and deployment of AI. By working together, we can create a future where AI benefits all of humanity. Section 6. AI for a sustainable future. Climate change is one of the most pressing challenges facing our planet. The good news is that AI has the potential to be a powerful tool in the fight against this global threat. From optimizing energy consumption to developing new materials, AI can help us transition to a more sustainable future. One area where AI can make a significant impact is in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. AI-powered systems can optimize energy grids, making them more efficient and reliable. They can also help us transition to renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. AI can also play a role in developing sustainable transportation systems. Self-driving cars, for example, have the potential to significantly reduce traffic congestion and emissions. AI can also be used to optimize public transportation systems, making them more efficient and accessible. The development of new materials is another promising area for AI-driven sustainability. AI algorithms can help scientists design materials that are lighter, stronger, and more environmentally friendly. These materials can be used in everything from solar panels to electric car batteries, further accelerating the transition to a sustainable future. Section 7. The road ahead, a shared responsibility. The future of AI is full of promise and potential. By 2030, AI will have transformed the world in ways we can only begin to imagine. However, realizing the full potential of AI while mitigating its risks is a shared responsibility. We need to approach the development and deployment of AI with a focus on ethics, inclusivity, and sustainability. We must ensure that AI benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. This requires collaboration between governments, industry leaders, researchers, and the public. Education is key. We need to equip future generations with the skills they need to thrive in an AI-powered world. This includes promoting STEM education, fostering critical thinking skills, and encouraging creativity and innovation. The road ahead will be challenging, but it is also filled with opportunity. By embracing a spirit of collaboration and a commitment to ethical and responsible development, we can harness the power of AI to create a brighter future for all. What role will you play in shaping the future of AI?